A new study is done in the US suggests that the antibodies present in the blood of recovered COVID-19 patients could provide powerful protection against the coronavirus. The research shows that injecting the antibodies of recovered patients into those experiencing the early stage of the disease. The antibodies can be mass-produced in the laboratory. Antibodies are produced by the immune system to counteract a disease once it goes on in the body. The new research, using animal and human cell cultures, proposes they may also be able to provide a short-term vaccine-like protection against the coronavirus for those most at risk or in contact with the disease, like healthcare workers and the elderly. Depending on how the research progresses through the mandatory human trials, the team said that the antibodies could be used in treatments as early as January 2021. The project, a cooperation between the non-profit scientific research organization International AIDS Vaccine Initiative and the University of California San Diego School of Medicine, is not the first study in which antibodies taken by patients have been used to tackle a new disease. The approach has also been used successfully against different diseases and viruses like Ebola and the pneumonia-inducing respiratory syncytial virus. Using the blood of others to hold death and disease, this technique is nothing new. In 1492, Pope Innocent VIII was allegedly administered the blood of 3 10-year-old boys, hoped that it would improve his health. Fast forward 600 years, and the startup Ambrosia Medical is offering anyone with $8,000 the chance to fill their veins with blood donated by young people in an attempt to reduce the effects of aging. Many studies are taking place for coronavirus, hope that we will get the vaccine as soon as possible, so we can get rid of this pandemic disease.
Info@World. Worldwide information.